Next, we discuss equivalence of continuous time RIM DCF. Residual income model and discounted cash flow model, they are mathematically equivalent. Therefore, if someone asks you why do you use residual income model instead of DCF, then you can simply answer they are mathematically equivalent. Okay, and you can show this proof. While they are mathematically equivalent, DCF and RIM has many practical advantages. You can directly incorporate your insight, business insight, okay, such as evaluating business model, evaluating strategy, organizational capability, information system, and then you can see how much given those firms characteristics whether that company can create economic value or not. You can highlight that insight in alignment while it is equivalent to DCF. Moreover, RIM does not rely on terminal value. Well, if we use DCF usually is entirely driven by terminal value, right? Highly sensitive to terminal value. Your assumption about the terminal value determines the valuation DCF. However, in residual income model, it doesn't have that kind of problem because we directly use book value, which is a big part of the firm value. So it's much less sensitive to your valuation. So I strongly advise you to use RIM instead of DCF. Actually, okay, I want you do not, I want that, okay, I want you avoid using DCF actually. Do not use DCF. Whenever you can use RIM, use RIM, okay? So in continuous time, we prove equivalence of RIM. This in continuous time because it is more elegant. It is easier. In discrete time, well, summation, that's nasty. Notations are nasty. So we use calculus, okay? In continuous time, the DCF value, is assuming dividends are only cash flow to the equity holder, is given by this one. Vt is from t to infinity, right? Infinity, and then d tau, basically infinity, discount infinity dividend cash flow with appropriate discount rate. Okay, here RE. Where d tau is the dividend or distributed at time tau, and RE is the quote of equity. Now the accounting identity of the book value is book value at time b tau is initial book value plus summation of retentions, right? Net income minus dividend over time. Well, NIS is net income at time S, and in the RIM, residual income is defined as RIS is NIS minus REBS, right? Thus, if we rearrange the net income, we have net income is REBS, okay, which is opportunity cost of capital plus residual income, earning beyond opportunity cost, which is net income. Our goal is to show that DCF value can be written as this one, okay, i.e. as the sum of current book value and the discounted stream of residual income. Step 1, expressing dividend in terms of net income and book value evolution. Recall that dividend represent the portion of net income not retained to grow the book value. In other words, DS is NIS minus change of book value. Substitute NIS REBS plus RIS into this identity. Then DS dividend is REBS plus RI minus change of book value, right? And then integration by part. Consider this one. How to integrate this one? We can apply technique called integration by part. So let's define B tau as U. Then du is simply du, and actually dv, let's also define dv is this one. Then okay, then du is b prime tau d tau, right? And if we integrated this v part, this is, well, minus e rli tau minus t. To check it, you can differentiate this one, then you will have a dv. Since this one is same to this one, right? Therefore, this is this one. Now, integrated by part variable is now I integrated. First, we integrated this part, and then we integrate this part. This technique called integration by part. Well, integration by part is okay. Actually, this is the useful one. So, integration by part. Okay. Integration by part. Okay, integration by part. We have Wikipedia page. So basically, integration by part is integration by part. This one. Okay, this is a good one. Integrate udv is change this one and change this one. Okay. So this one and this one. So we directly apply this formula. Okay. And then, well, we have a minus here. We don't have minus, so minus minus it becomes plus. So assuming that this form is stable, so that this is 0 in limiting period. Well, again, the form cannot grow forever. Okay. And then noting that tau at t we have this is 1. Now we obtain I is this one. Okay. By doing integration. Okay. Or simply I is bt plus, we are almost done. B prime tau and integration of this one. Now rewrite the DCF equation. Return now to the original DCF expression, which is discounted dividend, equity value discounted dividend. Now substitute dt. D tau is ni tau minus this one, using the fact that this is same to this one. Then v tau looks like this one. We plug this one over here, and we have this one. Right? And the separate integrate into two parts, where this part is simply I, and we have residual income part, and then it change this part. But from step 2, we have this is simply I is simply this one. So we plug this one. Substitute this result back to this one. Okay. The two terms involving v prime tau conveniently cancel out. Now we have only this part. So basically proof is done. Okay. This is exactly the definition of residual income. Okay. Equity value, book value plus present value of residual income. Again, recall that Ri is Ni tau minus REBT. We have now recovered the standard RIM formulation. Conclusion, we have shown that starting from the continuous time DCF expression for dividend and using integration by part together with the accounting identity for the evolution book value, the DCF valuation of equity can be rearranged into residual income model. Thus, under the assumption made, the two approaches are equivalent.